Uglalotak, Kanuit busy. Today is Wednesday. What day? All day today, let's be responsible. Always try to do our best. Cooperate with others and let's treat everyone with respect, including ourselves. Recently, we have been focusing on showing empathy in classroom, right? So today we are going to focus on empathetic body language. We did talk a little bit about empathetic body language. Can you guys remind me what empathetic body language looks like? Does the grumpy face looks like empathetic body language? No. What about hugs? Does hug look like a empathetic body language? Yeah. And then how about a pat on the shoulders? Is that empathetic? Yeah, I think so. A gentle touch can be a empathetic. How about someone being on phone when you're trying to talk to them? Is that empathetic? No, that is not empathetic. How about when somebody's talking to you and you're looking everywhere else but in their eyes? Is that empathetic? No, that is not empathetic. And say for example, if somebody's trying to talk to you and you keep interrupting them, but I know, and then you keep interrupting that way, is that empathetic? No. Is holding hand when somebody is crying empathetic? Yes. So thank you for reminding me what empathetic body language looks like. You guys did good job recognizing what empathetic body language look like. I have a task for you. Let's do this activity together. I have some images of different kind of empathetic body language here. Can you help me sort them into non-empathetic and empathetic? Okay, let's do one by one. How about this one? Do you think this woman is showing empathetic body language to this young lady? I think so. Look at her eye contact. Look at her shoulders. It seems like she's really interested in knowing what's going on in this person's life, right? Okay, I think so too that this is empathetic. How about this guy? Do you think this person is he interested in talking to this person? Is his body language looks like empathetic body language? What do you guys think? Take few seconds to discuss with your partner. I think so, it's non-empathetic too. He wasn't looking at the person, he was sitting too straight and felt like he was not interested. How about this doctor? Do you think this doctor is showing empathy towards this old lady? How can you tell that he is being empathetic? If you're looking at his eyes, yes, I feel he has those kind eyes and that little bit of smile and a gentle touch shows that he really cares about this lady, right? Definitely an empathetic body language. How about this guy? Would you talk to somebody who sits like this? Does he feel like he's interested in talking to anybody? No, I didn't think so. I don't think the way he's sitting and his hands, the way it's being folded, and he's not even looking. So I think this doesn't seem like he is showing a lot of empathy. Let's put him here under non-empathetic body language. How about this young lady? Do you think she's interested in listening to what this lady has to say? She feels like she is distracted by her phone. Is that an empathetic body language? If you said no, then you are right. This is an example of non empathetic body language. You guys did a really good job helping me sort out these pictures into non empathetic body language and empathetic body language. I hope next time when somebody come talks to you, you show empathetic body language, you show them you care, you are interested in talking to them. Don't be distracted on your phone. Use eye contact. Yeah, use a smile, a gentle touch that makes the other person feel like you care. Good job today, everyone. Thank you for participating in today's activity. I hope you guys have a lovely day. Happy learning.